Hi all folks, this is Max from Droid Razr root.com. So today I'm going to show you how to root your Droid Razr on ICS. Should work for all ICS and maybe even for Jelly Bean when it comes out. I'm on 4.0.4, system version is 6.16.211. So it should work if you have that or less. And for gingerbread, you'll have to use the other method on my site, droidrazrroot.com. And also if you're on certain gingerbread, you might have to try the Droid Bionic moto-fail method. Anyway, to do this, go to settings, system settings, and go to developer options, and make sure USB debugging is checked on. Alright, once that's checked on, connect it to your computer via a micro USB cable, and make sure under USB options, make sure it's set it at media device MTP, not as mass storage, which is the default. And then let's go to our computer. Next, what you want to do is download droidrazrroot.com/ICS. If you unzip those files, you get a folder with a bunch of files. It has everything you need. If you want to root Windows, using Windows, just use root windows.bat. If you want to use Macintosh or Mac, you can use rootmac.sh. You'll have to do additional typing. So I'll have another video showing you how to do that, and also for Linux I'll have another video. But if you can figure out how to run scripts on Linux or Mac, go knock yourself out. This works just fine. So for Windows, you're simply gonna hit root windows.bat. And also, if you want to learn about rooting and stuff, you can actually open the script files. They're all open source. And before I begin, thanks, credits, all credits go to XDA user Dr. R. Bliss, Dan Rosenberg. He's the one who figured this out, and all credits go to him. And make sure, don't forget to donate to him. You can find him on XDA, DJR Bliss. I just made the script here. So once you're ready, just hit enter, and that's it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you have to install the drivers. If you get stuck where it says you might get stuck when it says rooting. I'll show you the drivers after I root my phone. Sorry, I should have done that first, but actually while that's going on, I can actually show it to you. Here we go. So while that's going on, let me just open up what it should say. You should have, there we go, you should get something like ADB interface and Moto Composite ADB interface. If you don't have the drivers installed, I'll have driver links. You can install it. You'll have like some kind of Motorola Droid Razr. If it doesn't update, you can manually do a right click, look at the properties, and then you can also hit the update driver, browse my computer, and hit let me pick from a list of drivers, and then choose ADB or show all devices, and then choose half disk and point to your drivers. That's pretty much it. Or you can also, I'm just showing you that as an example. Don't update the drivers there. You can also do, let me see here. If you have any ADB interface, you can choose that, and then you'll be able to find Motorola and choose anything with ADB should work, but I use Mott Composite ADB interface there. But let's go back to rooting. It's still rooting. Your phone should reboot like twice, and it should be all done rooting. And that's it pretty much. And it should take you like, yeah, maybe 5 minutes. And there we go, reboot number 2, remount succeeded. Once you get remount succeeded with no errors, you're pretty much all good to go. That means your phone has been remounted, to your phone. Well, ADB has remounted your phone as root. So once you get to that point, you should be all done. And this is for ICS on Droid Razr, and also should work for Droid Bionic on ICS. But I'll have another video for that, just to show you that it's working. And it's all done rooting, and your phone will reboot one last time, or not one last time. It's actually booting up. And let me change the camera angle here. And here we go. It's booting up. And again, this root method is very safe to do. At the worst, you're not going to get root. And also very easy to unroot. All you have to do is run SuperSU app and simply uninstall it. Oop. There we go. And you should now have Super User app. SuperSU actually. SuperSU app. And you can run it once if you want. Oop. I don't have my SIM card inserted. I have it in my Galaxy S3, that's why. There we go. If it asks you to update, you can update it too. It doesn't really matter. And also thanks to Chainfire for making SuperSU, and that's pretty much it. And you should have root. And anytime you want to unroot, I'm gonna actually unroot it. Go to SuperSU, and you can choose full unroot, and hit continue. And your phone has been unrooted. So my phone, I just rooted it and unrooted it completely back to stock. If you install like recovery like SafeStrap, you still have to get rid of it, but if you didn't, that's how you unroot it. Very simple. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to sign up as a user at my new YouTube site at androidroot.org, and also subscribe to my channel there. That would be highly appreciated. And don't forget to share this with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. And if you're on Google+, hit that plus button for me. And if you're on Facebook, please hit that like button for me. And also hit that RT button if you're got this off Twitter. Anyway, thanks you guys for supporting my channel. I'll be working really hard, and stay high on Android. Oh yeah.